Niger State is one of the states that make up the 36 states of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. The state is home to abundant resources, tourist sites and rich cultural displays, which emanate from her ample amount of ethnic groups. In recent times, the state has embarked on different expeditions, all aimed at preserving the rich cultural diversity of her people for posterity, while promoting her heritage as a tourism tool. One year after the election of Governor Mu'azu Babangida Aliyu, who prefers to be called the chief servant of the state, a lot has been done to improve on the tourism potentials of the state. One of the cultural events that has been greatly transformed is the Durbar. Durbar is a festival that is celebrated by states in the northern part of Nigeria. It is an event that comes up every Sallah celebration, with horse riding, prayers and merriment accompanying. Naturally, during Sallah celebrations, men, women and children would come out in their best traditional attires. Minna, the capital city of Niger State, was host to the 2008 Eid al-Kabir Durbar in the state. As a result, the usually calm and quiet city gave way to the euphoria of the season. A mammoth crowd came out to the streets and engaged in different activities, like preparing the Salah ram, selling, strolling and riding on horses. While some were caught in less stressful activities, others were also busy preparing the polo ground for the Grand Durbar festival. The Grand Durbar, which was conducted under a very tight security atmosphere, began with the people, horse riders and dance groups coming into the polo ground. The chief servant of the state, Governor Mu'azu Babangida Aliyu, arrived in a convoy and went round to salute the people of the state before taking his seat amongst the other dignitaries who had already taken their respective sitting positions. It was a gathering of government functionaries, royalties, sons and daughters of the land, visitors and tourists alike. The governor's arrival was followed by the grand arrival of the Emir. It is interesting to note that the people of northern Nigeria still hold dearly the customary way of honoring the traditional rulers. The Emir's royal arrival was symbolic of a preserved heritage. It brought back history and long-aged culture as turbaned men in co-traditional attires made up his convoy, either as aides or horse riders. On his arrival, groups of horsemen from different clans rode at full gallop to pay homage to him. After the homage paying, known as Jahi, the Emir proceeded to take his place beside the governor, commissioners and other dignitaries. The Niger State Ministry of Tourism and Culture, which has the Honorable Commissioner, Alhaji Umar Mohammed Nasko at its helm, has been the cradle for the revitalized tourism experience in the state. During the occasion, Honorable Umar Nasko commended the efforts of the governor in revamping the state's tourism sector.
Since his inauguration, he has vowed to change the wrong and negative perception of Durbar into a veritable tool for social integration, peaceful coexistence, and economic development. It is because of this that just 1 year in office, the tourism stakeholders in the continent honored him with the prestigious African World Travel Award of Best Tourism Governor of the Year 2008 in Nigeria. This is an award that has not been awarded to any governor in Nigeria since Donald Duke in 2001.
He spoke further on how the unflinching support of the governor has taken the ministry to heights hitherto considered impossible.
Because of the Chief Servant's conviction of the potentials invested in Niger Lights to being one of the top 3 best states in whatever we do, he has given us his unflinching support to the Ministry of Tourism and Culture. And I am proud to say that this has resulted in Niger State winning at the National Festival of Arts and Culture Enugu 2008 the following: 1. Best Costume State, 2nd position. 2. Specialized Exhibition, 2nd position. Food Fair, 3rd position. And also the most powerful contingent at NAFES 2008. And at the just concluded Abuja Carnival, we won 2nd position in boat regatta, 2nd position in Best Costume Award for the boats, 2nd position in Best Regatta Display, Best Costume Rider 2nd position, and 1st position in Best Durbar Accompaniment of the Abuja Carnival 2008.
He also commended the Emir of Minna, His Royal Highness Dr. Umar Faruk Bahago CON, for his unwavering support to the development of tourism in the state.
Please permit me to thank our Honorable Royal Father, His Royal Highness, the Emir of Minna, Dr. Umar Faruk Bahago CON, who has always given the much-needed support whenever events like this are being organized. Your Highness, I wish you long life in your service to humanity.
Niger State's cultural diversity was also expressed through the exciting displays by different masquerades, traditional dance groups, trumpeters and drummers. of Mina His Royal Highness Dr. Umar Faruk Bahago also presented his speech on the occasion.
Yayin da muka ba da fifiko ga bukatan a zauna lafiya da juna, a gudta da fitina ko tarzoma, kuma a kiyaye baza jita-jita ko yaɗa labari marasa tushe, wanda kuma an sani zai tayar ma da jama'an hankali. Mun yi haka ne sabili da irin abin da ke faruwa a wasu sassa na ƙasar nan, inda aka yi ta kashe-kashe da kone-konen gidan mutane na jama'a. Sabili da haka zan so idan ka amince in ƙara amfani da wannan dama domin in jaddada wannan kira da na yi zuwa ga jama'an wannan masarauta a jiya. Jama'a, ku kiyayi gaba da juna, ku yi koyi da manzannin Allah ta hanyar nuna ƙauna da ƙara sada danƙon zumunci a tsakaninku. Ku kasance masu jin shugabanni da kiyaye doka, ku kuma guji yin siyasa da gaba. A riƙe amana, a tsare gaskiya da sanya tsoron Allah a zuciya, domin yin haka shi ne zai tabbatar mana da samun zaman lafiya, kwanciyar hankali da ci gaban al'umma.
The occasion was also flavored with presentation of gift items to the governor. That was followed immediately by the governor's speech.
You have noticed the influx of people in Mina, that where we used not to have go-slow, now there are go-slows. And we must be prepared and ready for the changes that will come. Because the more people you have, you must be prepared, you must be ready, and you must watch out. Because as good people come in, bad people too will come in. Neighbors, like it used to be, and like Islam has taught us, your neighbors are about 40 houses between your houses in the north, 40 houses in the east, 40 houses in the south, and 40 houses in the west. Those are your neighbors. You must know what they do. You must know who is a stranger who has just come in. You must know who is a drug addict. You must know the thief among them, the man who catches your hand without you knowing. You must be aware, you must be diligent. Otherwise, you may wake up with a problem in your hand. We must thank Allah for what He has been doing to us.
Governor Muazu used the occasion as an avenue to speak on key issues affecting the development of the state.
Thank you very much. Like I said, it is a wish of Talwamina.
The Eid al-Kabir Durbar was also an avenue for horsemen to showcase their talents to the excitement of onlookers. As the Durbar began, the faces of the spectators radiated with smiles. The procession, which was made of horse riders, dancers, instrumentalists, masquerades, praise singers and camel riders, was indeed a colorful and spectacular sight that offered sensual delight to both locals and foreigners. The curtains were drawn that afternoon with the departure of the mayor, governor, commissioners and other dignitaries. The evening of the same day was a night full of varieties. The night began with the fireworks. Men and women all gathered at the UK Bello Art Theatre Complex to watch the visually impressive exhibition of fireworks. It was also a night of drama and dance. Various cultural dance groups across the state were there to perform. The Guape International, Niger State's cultural troupe, started off with a dance drama. The group was followed by another group of young stars. Aside their energetic dance display, it was outstanding how these youths played with fire. Although the use of fire without being harmed may have left many confused, they did not only excite the viewers, they proved their skill as good dancers. Then the excitement elicited by the performance took a different turn and moved to the eastern part of the country, where the Igbo Atilogu group, who had come all the way, gave a good account of themselves. The colorfully dressed group was made up of youth who danced gracefully. The curtains were lowered that night with the completion of the dance drama by the Guape group.
Move back.
Oh my God!
Here we must look innovative. We must innovate for the progress and development of whatever institution that it is. And this institution has been with us for a long time, and we need to improve on it. So the idea is for us to see how it goes this year, and then see how we can improve on it also next year. Yes. Wannan mun fito ne don mu gwada mu gani cewa yanda za mu ƙara inganta al'amarin don jama'a su samu gani sosai. Gidan gwamnati yawanci za ka ga yayi kaɗan, mutane kuma ba a samun sakewa. To wannan ya nuna mana idan nan gaba za mu sake yanda za mu ƙara inganta al'amarin. Shi yasa muka fito waje mu ga yanda zai zama. Sarki to ban sani ba. Wai ko sarki ne magana da su ko a talabijin?
Could you tell us the significance of the Durbar? Are
I'm a citizen of this country. I was born and brought up here.
Okay,
Believe
but
that?
you're not in this state.
No, I'm not from the state. I'm a visitor to the state.
Describe the Durbar here today.
It's excellent. It's good. It's your culture is your identity, and if you don't have a culture, that means you don't have an identity. It's a simple way of. It's good to keep it up and improve on it. It's nice.
You say Rudolph?
Yes, Rudolph.
Rudolph what?
Mawat.
Mawat.
Yeah.
My name is Mike. Mike Esteban.
How would you describe this?
Excellent, very excellent. It's very excellent.
The significance of today is that we have taken this Durbar celebration of Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Kabir to another level. Today is the first time that this has happened outside the government house. This is in line with the Chief Servant's commitment of showcasing our cultural heritage and our history to the world, and in so doing, making this an event with the like to become the likes of the Brazilian Carnival, inshallah. To wannan rana ta yau muhimmancinta ko kuma zan ce abin da yasa ta zama rana mai daraja kuma ta zama rana daban shine saboda wannan gaisuwan sallan da ake kawo ma gwamnati, wanda sarki ke kawo ma gwamna. Yau ne ranar farko da aka yi ta ba a cikin gidan gwamnati ba, an kawo ta waje. Ana son duniya su san cewa wannan jiha tamu tana da daraja, tana da tarihi mai tsanani, kuma muna son mu gaya ma duniya cewa muna da wannan tarihi, kuma muna so wannan abu ya zama babban buki wanda zai zama cewa za mu samu baki daga kasashen waje, duniya ga baki daya nan zuwa gaba. Yanda kuma mai girma gwamna ya faɗa cewa daga nan zuwa gaba wannan abu kowane shekara zai ƙara girma ne kuma zai ƙara hidima saboda ya fi yanda yake a yanzu. Well, Destination Niger is a campaign for every Nigerite. It is not significant only to the Durbar. It is an event.
Oh my God.
The significance of today's program.
Well, quite significant to us in many respects. First, is a revival of our cultural heritage, which has not really been abandoned, but has not been done within in the manner that it took place today. At least it has in no way exposed the potentials that we have in terms of tourism of Niger State to the entire world. And further, it will in a way tremendously transform the economy of Niger State and Nigeria in general. Well, alhamdulillah, muna ganin abin da ya faru yau kan wannan daba hanyoyi ne da yawa da zai taimakawa mutanen Niger, musamman ta hanyar tattalin arzikinta da kuma haɗa kan jama'a da raya al'adu na mutanen jihar Niger. Muna kuma fatan Allah zai kai mu a ranar Lahadi da za mu yi ta bidda, da kuma fatan jama'a za su koma gida lafiya.